Saffron Musketeers super exclusive. Annamalai Tejasvi double engine big Karnataka push for 400 or 400 par. From BJP's Kerala game plan to Modi's Congress manifesto attack. Big exclusive from state of war, Karnataka.
How do you see the law and order situation in the state of Karnataka? Series of incidents from Nagarpet to Hubballi. Series of incidents against Hindus.
Very unfortunate. The last 8 months, the state and our city has been unfortunately making headlines for all the wrong reasons. And the primary reason for this is the kind of soft approach, appeasement politics that the state has been practicing. When the Rameshwaram Cafe blast happened, the Congress ministers said it's a cylinder blast. Even before investigation, they said it must be because of business rivalry. When the Nagratpet incident happened, they said no, it's not because of the Hanuman Chalisa. It's because of loud sound that was produced in the loudspeaker that the shopkeeper was playing. They tried to downplay the incident. When Pakistan Zindabad slogans were chanted in Vidhan Sauda, they said no, this is not Pakistan Zindabad, it is Nasir Saab Zindabad. Then now, when Neha Hiremath's murder has come forward, they're again saying that there is no religious angle to this. This is a personal issue and they're character shaming the young victim. So this kind of apology, this kind of condoning terror activities, criminal activities encourages more people, more criminals in society to take that path. So the Congress party today has become a threat to the very physical existence of Hindus and people in Karnataka. It's a very serious issue and people are taking it very seriously.
All right, these are details that we have with us as far as the campaign is concerned. In fact, pictures are of the campaign that was carried out earlier by Tejasvi Surya, essentially raising the issue of the Hanuman Chalisa incident in Bengaluru, where a man was allegedly assaulted for playing the Hanuman Chalisa. This is an issue that he's raised. Campaign these are pictures also of the campaign that has been done by BJP's Annamalai, who's contesting from Tamil Nadu, and Tejasvi Surya contesting there from Karnataka.